I'm not sure whether you're going to admit to this, but was there an element of wanting to do good, wanting to serve people that made you go into this?
Well, of course, actually I love to be with people. And when you are doing this kind of a thing where the pay is not, of course, as you said, not that good, something should be there, yes, of course, which will give you some kind of satisfaction where this thing gets compensated. And there I'm happy with this. I mean, whenever, especially when I go to the fields, it's really something, you know, to work with them, to be with them and to get the feel.
And to see the achievements which are made.
Yeah, right.
Laboni is not unique. There are many other graduates who choose to work with NGOs in the countryside. Most Indians still live in villages. Although this one is just outside Calcutta, there's a world of difference between life here, where there are no modern facilities, and the cities where India's wealth is concentrated. Bridging the rural-urban divide must be a top priority if India is not to become a country of very rich and very poor. This afternoon, Laboni is explaining the lessons to be learnt from a recent survey of the village health, education and sanitary conditions. These women conducted the survey themselves with the help of Cine. Because many of them are illiterate, Laboni has taken care to produce easily understandable visuals. The villagers feel at home with Laboni. All too often, government officials seem like people from another world. There is undoubtedly a certain wisdom in village life. Laboni understands that she has to learn from the villagers before she can help them.
The most important thing is we're interacting like what we are doing. We're interacting directly with the community and trying to understand what the community is demanding. And when we are dealing with these things, the question of sustainability comes in. When we're going to leave, what will happen after then? So we have to think from the very beginning that how to involve the community so that when we leave, they can take up the role, take up the issue and continue on their own.
It seems to me that one of the real differences between the voluntary movement and the government is that you have a different type of morale. You have people like you who are motivated, whereas government people are not motivated.
Well, I do not think so, because we have seen government officials also who have taken a lot of interest in all these things. I mean, of course, there are people in the government who are not that interested. Yes, there are, and they just take the thing as a job. That is also there, but we have seen different types of people. I should not say the government people are not motivated at all. I should not say that. We are standing in a very important point now. And now the thing is, we must work with the government. I mean, we cannot work outside the system. And then basically strengthening that system. That is where our role is. It's not working outside the system.
So your role is to act as a catalyst for the government?
Exactly, right.
And as a strengthening of the government's administration?
Right.
Cine is partly supported by foreign charities like Save the Children and UN agencies like UNICEF. But it's only Indians like Laboni who can make that money work. They alone can help villagers to help themselves, so that the new wealth being created in India isn't bottled up in the cities.